Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we will solve the sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter Polynomials Exercise 2.2. Find the zeros of the following polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Four u square plus 8u. First we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. To find the zeros, we will equate this polynomial to 0. Let 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. Now we will solve this equation. We will solve it by factorization. Now among these two terms, the common factor is 4u. So 4u I am taking it outside. 4u into u, 4u into u, 4u square plus 2. 4u into 2 is 8u. So here I have got two factors. I will equate each factor to 0. 4u is equal to 0. U plus 2 is equal to 0. Now if I solve for u will be equal to 0 by 4. U will be equal to 0. U is equal to minus 2. I have found the two zeros of the polynomial, that is 0 and minus 2. We take the screenshot if you want. Now we will go for the verification. Verification. Four u square plus 8u is equal to, this is the polynomial. We will compare this polynomial with the standard form of a quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. When we compare it, a will be equal to 4. B will be equal to 8. C will be equal to 0. The two zeros, that is alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to minus 2. 0 and minus 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta means 0 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 by 4. Here 0 plus into minus is minus 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 4 can divide. We'll get minus 2. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2. RHS is equal to LHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Hence verified. So take the screenshot if you want. Next, product of the zeros. Product of zeros. Alpha into beta is equal to C by A. So alpha into beta means 0 into minus 2 is equal to, so what is C? 0. What is A? 4. 0 by 4. 0 into minus 2 is 0. 0 by 4 is also 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Take the screenshot. Second sum, t square minus 15 first we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. To find the zeros, we will equate it to 0. Let t square minus 15 be equal to 0. Now we will solve this equation. we should factorize it. For factorizing it, t square, I can write root 15 as root 15 whole square. Because root a into root a is equal to a. The same way, root 15 into root 15 will be equal to 15. That is, root 15 square will be equal to 15. Now, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is a and this is b. So, a plus b, t plus root 15 into t minus root 15 is equal to 0. I have got two factors. I will equate each factor to 0. T plus root 15 is equal to 0. T minus root 15 is equal to 0. If I solve for t, t will be equal to minus root 15. Here t will be equal to just root 15. So the two zeros of this polynomial are minus root 15 and plus root 15. We'll take the screenshot if you want. Now we will go for the verification. T square minus 15 is the given polynomial. We will compare it with the standard form of a quadratic polynomial. So ax square plus bx plus c. When we compare it, a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to 0, c will be equal to minus 15. Now the zeros, alpha is equal to minus root 15 and beta is equal to root 15. Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta means minus root 15 plus root 15. equal to minus b minus 0 by 1. So minus root 15 plus root 15 we get 0. Here also we get 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Please take the screenshot if you want. Product of the zeros. Product of zeros. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to C by A. So alpha into beta will be minus root 15 into root 15 is equal to C is what? Minus 15 by 1. So here minus root 15 to plus root 15 is 15 minus 15. That's equal to minus 15. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Third sum, 3x square minus x minus 4. Solution. First we have to find the zeros of the given polynomial. To find the zeros, we will equate it to 0. Let 3x square minus x minus 4 be equal to 0. Now we will solve this equation. We will solve by factorization. For factorizing it, first step is multiply the first term and the last term. We get minus 12x square. Now we have to find the factors of 12. 1 12s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. We got 3 pairs of factors. Among these 3 pairs, which pair can give me minus 1? That is, this pair can give me 1, minus 1. So 3, 4, I want minus 1. So what signs I have to give for these numbers so that after solving I will get minus 1. I will give minus plus for 3 and minus for 4. I will get minus 1. Now I have to cross check. When I multiply these two, I should get this. Am I getting it? 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. It is okay. Now I have to split this term into two parts. So 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Among these two terms, 3x is the common factor. 3x is the common factor. So 3x into x, 3x square. 3x into 1 is 3x. Leave a gap here and write the whole thing once again within the brackets. X plus 1. Now I have to fill the gap so that when I multiply this and this, I should get this. I am filling it with minus 4. So minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Now there are two terms in which x plus 1 is the common factor. So x plus 1. What is left here? 3x minus 4 will be equal to 0. Now I got two factors. I will equate each factor to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So here x will be equal to minus 1. 3x is equal to 4 and x will be equal to 4 by 3. Now I have found the two zeros of the given polynomial, that is minus 1 and 4 by 3 are the two zeros. Please take the screenshot if you want. Now we will go for the verification. Three x square minus x minus 4. We will compare this with the standard form of a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. When we compare, a will be equal to 3, b will be equal to minus 1, c will be equal to minus 4. Now our zeros, alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to 4 by 3. They are the two zeros that we have found now. Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta minus 1 plus 4 by 3 will be equal to minus of minus 1 the whole divided by 3. Now we will solve this fraction by means of cross multiplication. 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are minus 3, 4 1s are 4. That's equal to minus into minus is plus. So 1 by 3. When I solve it, I'll get 1 by 3. That's equal to 1 by 3. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Please take the screenshot if you want. Product of the zeros. Product of zeros. Alpha into beta is equal to C by A. So alpha into beta means minus 1 into 4 by 3. That's equal to C by A minus 4 by 3. So if I solve this fraction, 1 3s are 3. No, strong. We are going to, sorry, this is not addition, it's multiplication. So minus 1 into 4 minus 4. 1 3s are 3 minus 4 by 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.